Let's listen in to FEU.
Diba? So, backwick ka, takbuhin mo doon, abang ka rito, Mig. Walang block. Palingo. Ha? Palingo. Yung bala ninyo, inaabang ng dulo-dulo. Pagkalanganin, drop mo na sa gitna. Drop mo sa gitna. Okay? Kailangan yung bola nyo, doon lang sa alanganin ng pwesto ng tao, huwag itatapat doon sa mismong tao. Okay? Pass play tayo. Pass play.
And George Pascua calling a timeout, trying to correct some minor errors that he's seeing because Ateneo is making a run here.
That's right. And Coach George setting up a play. He wants to stop this run of Ateneo and he wants the pace to be a bit faster. Now, tingnan natin if the FEU players can follow through.
Molate punishing that ball.
And exactly the play that Coach George drew up. Molate, there's a fake in the back wing and Morate running for that running back, and it just was impossible for Ateneo to get a hand on that block.
18-13. Block on the tip by Sandoval. Ortega back set this time to Tevez. Blocked by Molate.
Oh, Molate just doing everything for FEU right now.
He's a one-man team, yes, for the Tamaraws. 19-13 FEU on top. Let's listen to Ateneo this time.
Kombinasyon mo lang. Ito mga kombinasyon mo lang. Kahit sa transition, gawa mo ng chance ball. Ay, gawa mo ng tara, kombinasyon natin. Hindi sila mag-25. Kapitan natin. Kapitan natin. 2-1 na yan. Tara, kaya natin. Tara, kuha natin ito. Kunin natin. Tara, guys, 2-1 na. Kuha tayo.
Coach Tim Santo Tomas trying to break the momentum of FEU. With the timeout and just giving some motivational words to the Blue Eagles.
Coach Tim was an excellent player during his U18 years, and I remember him one of the more dependable hitters for Ateneo, like what Tevez is doing, hitting it off the block, getting those combination plays on the run, and it's so nice to see him now as the coach of Ateneo.
That was a botched play that Pareja made good of with a tip.
Pareja, whenever he's in front, you've got to always think, if you're FEU, that it's going to be given to him. Whether it's a quick play or a high set, Pareja always a threat. Oh, this is too easy.
And Molate is everywhere on the court. Blocking, hitting left, right, from the back. Doesn't matter.
That was just a giveaway for Molate. I don't know why the Ateneo block was even late for that one.
That's our Shakey's slow-mo. Shakey's serving the world's greatest pizza for 35 years. Oh, that was right off the line from Molate. Molate is unstoppable here. He's a scoring monster for FEU in set number 2.
The monster just woke up here in the second set.
Two service aces back-to-back for Nestor Molate. Somebody stop the man.
Wow. He's doing it all for the FEU Tamaraws right now. And I just want to see the stats of this guy after the second set.
That's our Shakey's fast serve. Shakey's serving the world's greatest pizza for 35 years. And now Ateneo's just breaking down. They can't seem to get anything right. No reception. Even their offense has gone away. And FEU just 2 points away from tying it one set apiece here in this first Final Four matchup in the men's volleyball tournament. That time around, Molate sends it out of bounds.
Even Molate in his serve has hand time. Pati ito parang binibiti. Nagpumupose pa muna. Ibang klase ito mga player natin.
FEU can afford to make some errors here as they are just on the brink of taking set number 2, while Ateneo, a mountain of a deficit to overhaul if they are looking to grab this set. That's not going to help. Rivera inserted in set number 1 as a service specialist, watched that and botches this one as well.
Wow, he is going he's going to get a long talk from Coach Santo Tomas after this one.
Set point for FEU.
That is too close.
To the net.
Oh,
and
that's outside.
Alcarte couldn't put it away. Tried for the wide angle, but he went just too wide.
That's right. Yan, medyo na ano siya ni Pareha, no? Na-distract ni Pareha, and FEU calling this timeout, wants to finish off second set.
Ganito ang play natin. Ikaw, dulo ka rito, nandito yung 4. Petros, nandito yung 4. Lab, wala kami Lab, takbuhan mo ron. Store, atake ka sa gitna. Okay? Backline, atake sa gitna. Sa gitna. Kasi, raraning dun si, magpapong-patong kayo. So, sa gitna ka. Ngayon, receivein muna natin. Okay? Receivein muna natin. And then, go tayo dun sa play. Pagka miss receive, labasan mo rito. Tumumba ka na lang. Gusto,
Wow. It's a very, how should we call it, ambitious play.
It's a complicated one.
Because they want Molate to hit from the back row.
The back. Well, these plays are just day-to-day plays for these guys. If you jump 40 inches vertically, and let's see if they can just follow through. Maganda yung play na sineta.
What follow through? What play? De Ocampo says, ako naman. Set number 2 is closed out by the setter, De Ocampo, disregarding the play called by George Pascua, which had...
Ang haba nung extras.
Simulate hitting from the outside. So we're tied. 1 set apiece. Ateneo taking set number 1. FEU taking 1 back in set number 2.